Hey everyone, welcome to Hanging with Uncle. I'm Gene, and let's get started. Today, I have a legal kind of conversation I want to go over with you. And for those of you who know me, yes, I have my Juris Doctorate degree. I graduated from law school. No, I'm not an attorney because I don't want to practice doing homework for a living. That's not the reason I went to law school. But anyway, I want to talk to you about discovery, which happens in every single lawsuit or criminal case filed in this country. And what discovery does, and the link from this is from the Justice Department in the description box below if you want to take a look. But basically, discovery is a motion to say, give me all the facts that you have that you think support the claim for this lawsuit. And at the same time, if it's a criminal lawsuit, the prosecution or the plaintiff's attorney, if it's civil, will do the same thing. Hey, you did wrong by my client or the American people. Give us all the information you have regarding this. And that's discovery. It's back and forth. It's legal. It's equitable because both parties must comply with discovery. There's no ambiguity around it. You must comply with discovery. Now, in the Comey case that's being presented before us, it's interesting because the and the link for this is in there as well. Let me pull it up real quick because I don't want to guess and give you the wrong information. All right. The defense's attorneys, Comey's attorneys, say lawyer's case against him is driven by Cadet Bone-Spur's personal animus and must be thrown out. Now, how are we going to prove personal animus? Through discovery. Okay. Now, remember in this case, there were a few prosecutors that were told prosecute this. And number one, the whoever is then sitting in the Oval Office, whoever the executive is, should never instruct the Justice Department who and who not to prosecute. There's supposed to be an independent administration agency and should act independently because it is only for the facts and evidence to decide who gets charged with crimes, not by who thinks these are my enemies and who needs to be prosecuted. But that's what the case is here. So he's going to say, well, I'm protected. I have immunity. Well, the thing is, immunity applies to all official acts. That's what the Supreme Court said. Committing crimes is not an official act. Making a hit list of people to prosecute based on vindictiveness is not an official act. And discovery will prove that. And ultimately, because of the weakness in this case, I believe it's going to be dismissed with prejudice, which means they cannot bring it again. Double jeopardy has attached, and no matter what you find afterwards, you cannot do anything against this man. And if you do, it would be retaliation for him standing up to this vindictive prosecution. I hope that makes sense as to what's going on. And these are things that you need to know anyway for your own daily life, to know what rights you have and how you can protect yourself. So this is not just a political discussion. This is information for you, but it's also why the case against Comey will be thrown out, and Letitia James, and John Brennan, and John Bolton, and anybody else on this prosecutor's hit list, like he's wants Adam Schiff on there. And, you know, it's a hit list, and that makes it vindictive. And it's only vindictive because these people did their job. Because the Mango moron incited a riot on January 6th. His feelings were hurt. He soiled his diaper because he lost. and caused an insurrection, incited an insurrection. And in my opinion, the statute of limitations has not run out on that yet. And we need to exercise our due diligence as people of this country, because that's who the power is with. Remember, this is a country for the people, us. By the people, us. For the people, by the people. It's us. We are the Constitution. If we don't stand up for it, it will get trampled over. So those are my thoughts. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Please leave them in the comment section below. That's all I have for today. Remember, please, as always, treat each other the way you want to be treated. Okay? Be kind to one another. And that's all I have for today. I'm Gene. Thank you for hanging with